Hi leeches, welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on marbled paper. I think the goal of this is to come up with a customized like marble stationery set, so I'm very excited to do that. Never had my own stationery set before, so that's like kind of fancy. This came in the maker crate, like maker box, and this is just like this month's crate or whatever. Actually seems really complicated. I watched the YouTube video instructions and there's like multiple steps, so right now I'm just gonna do the first step, which is creating like the liquid solution where you can put the paint on top of. The process for that is like mixing hot water with this solution, which is called carrageenan. I think that is how you pronounce it. I'm boiling hot water now, and you just add 2 teaspoons of this, but the horrible thing is that you have to wait like 2 hours or 3 hours for the solution to set before you can put paint on top of it. So that's why I'm doing this now, and I will come back later and film the actual like marbling at that point, but I'm just doing this now in the morning so that I can afford to wait 3 hours. Okay. I had to like measure, actually, so my hot water thing literally says liters on it only, but the instructions were only talking about cups. So I kind of eyeballed this. So if my stationery turns out ugly, okay. This kit also came with this whisk, which is so cute. So I will now whisk the solution. Ew, it's like super clumpy. Look at the clumps of powder. Screaming. Horrible. Okay, while I'm stirring this, what else should I talk about? Oh, when I was young, I think I tried to do this like marbling technique with my nail polish. It actually worked well. I think maybe because of the fact that it was like nail polish solution, or maybe there's like some ingredient in it already, but I don't remember having to like actually add anything to the water to have the nail polish float on the top of it. Like I'm pretty sure I just got a cup or a bowl of water and then just like directly put nail polish onto the water. But because this is paint, it does not say what type of paint, but it is these little cute little bottles. Yeah, because of that, I think I need to do this entire like solution situation with the water to make sure that the paint floats on top. Weirdly, the solution is getting really like thick and gooey right now, and there's kind of like a blue tint to it also. Not sure what that's about. I will continue mixing. Wow. Okay guys, I've been mixing this for like at least 5 minutes. There's still pieces of the powder clumped up in here, but I am tired and don't want to do this anymore. So if it doesn't dissolve in the next 3 hours, I will just, I guess, strain it out or something like that. So I will cover this and set a 3-hour timer, and then come back and actually put the paint in the water and actually marble my stuff. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I'm back and my solution looks pretty much thickened up now, so I think we can go ahead and get started with the actual project. I'm gonna actually tilt my camera down in a little bit so you guys can see more what's going on, but I have the rest of my materials here. This paper is like pre-cut to have like stickers and I think stamps or something like that. And then there's also this paper, and included is like envelopes and stationery. So this is like what I'm gonna be working on today. On the KiwiCo website, they also showed a couple of techniques for like how to marble and if you want to do like patterns and stuff like that. My plan is just to do like a general abstract art type of situation. So I'm going to set up the camera to like point down, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so I'm about halfway through. I put all of the paper that I've done already onto paper towels and it's drying over there. The solution, I feel like after a bit, I've already dumped one batch, but you can see that the water solution does get really dirty. And I still have a lot of paper to get through, so I'm just gonna like continue marbling. High key, I really like the rake designs, and I'm gonna mess around with maybe like a paintbrush and some of the other things. So this is how it's going so far. It's honestly pretty fun. I'm having a good time. Guys, so I am done with the marbling for now. I went through pretty much all of the solution that I had made in the morning, so I'm stopping because I'm out of solution basically. I had to keep changing the water because it kept getting like gloopy. For example, I think my solution at the end was like too thick because it ended up being kind of like very gloppy with the paint and created this like, I don't know, strands when I tried to pull it out of the water. So I've already done it, so I'm just gonna let it dry and see how it turns out. I also have the rest of the paper that I've done drying over there. So I'm gonna clean the rest of this up and then I think come back like later in the day or maybe tomorrow when everything is fully dry, and then I can assemble the stationery. Good morning, it is the next day. Everything has pretty much dried overnight, but I'm having an issue where I think the papers got like too wet, so basically they're like curling up and stuff like that. I can show you. Oh, this one's really bad. It's like literally dried like this. I saw on the instructions video that they said to get an iron and just iron all the papers flat. I do not have an iron, so I think I'm just gonna try to lay them flat under some heavy books and like things like that and see if that straightens them out. So I'm gonna set that up and then probably leave it for at least a couple of hours and then try to assemble the stationery after everything's like straightened out. I also wanted to show you guys the results for some of the papers that did dry out pretty flat. This one is probably the best one that I did, but I don't know. I feel like a lot of them have these like scratchy or like water dot marks. I think maybe I put too much water. I don't really know. But yeah, honestly, I think a lot of them look pretty nice anyways. I wish that I had added more like brighter colors. Like I like how this one has a lot of light blue and yellow and green. The darker ones are slightly spooky. Oh, this one is good too. Hi everyone, it is another day and I am finally going to complete my water marbling stationery situation. So I have all of my papers and stuff here. It's pretty much dry now, and I also tried to flatten everything under some heavy stuff. I don't think it's like totally flat, but that's okay. And then I also have all of the envelopes and cards that came with the kit, and the most important thing, the glue sticks. I just rewatched the instruction video And I think it's like you take these liners and then you stick them inside the envelopes and then like tape down the patterns. I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing better, but pretty much I think today is just like the last steps of assembling the stationery sets. I'm back. So I've done a couple of the envelopes so far, and I will show you the final results. So here is the big set and here is the small set. So on the big set, you can see that it opens up like this. And then I stuck the sticker onto this card here, and then this is like the inside of the envelope. And pretty much the same thing on the small envelope. You can open up the envelope like this, and here is the liner situation, and then the card, which is super cute. So the other thing that I noticed is that for especially the glue stick, the glue is not like super strong. So I stuck a candle that I had lying around to like flatten these and make sure that the glue sticks a little bit more, and we'll probably just leave them for a bit. Since I have the entire set of stationery now, I actually want to send out some cards to my subscribers. Please comment video content that you would like to see from me, and I will choose 3 people to send the cards to, and if you win, I will DM you to get your address and information. I think overall on my review for this kit, as usual with the KiwiCo kits, I feel like it's just annoying because it usually takes like multiple days to do stuff. But this one was pretty fun, and I feel like I got something pretty useful out of it. Like, this stationery kit is very cute and unique, so I really like the idea of this. It was kind of messy with the paint, and you do need a lot of space to lay everything out, but overall had a pretty good time. I would overall recommend it. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as usual, and goodbye. Thank you.